Hello everyone. So let's start discussion about the counseling of NIFT. And in this counseling, the most important thing is right now that this counseling has over 40, at least still 5,000 students and plus now it's going on. So the most important here is what about general and OBC students? What happened is their seats, and what about those SC and ST seat which is not filled yet, and other categories one, and then second round of the counseling when the college will start, which we have mentioned if you'll check the previous video. So we will talk about all this today, and I will take one by one those questions which you have asked on Instagram, maybe in YouTube comment. So you can even ask the more question over there. You can just go Insta family, be a part of it, follow us, then go and write your questions. We'll answer it through here. At the same also on this our YouTube channel, you can write the question, you can write us. Obviously we'll answer the all question which is possible are. So let's move on, take all your question and answer it one by one. First is NRI seat. So any general student, anyway, while counseling they will ask you also, you can apply for NRI, you can get the NRI. Only things after taking admission, you need to pay the rest of the NRI fee within 2 days, and you have to produce some required document which is very easy. We will tell you. If you ask me here also, I'll tell you. Anyone who is staying in your relative, or may not be the blood relative, maybe some your cousin or someone else also can also fill the sponsor form for you, and they have to send their passport ka front and back. That's it. And rest of the things here you have to do rest of the payment, and NRI seats is now yours. Well, so some of you are having a confusion and doubt here. The another question is, an NRI seat convert in general? Not at all. If NRI seat will vacant as it is for some particular center, NIFT will not consider those NRI seat for the further counseling for the second during the second round. That is for the general, not at all. Now the OBC student, general student, to think about SC, ST and EWS and other seats. All seat will get full for all center. Do not need to worry about it, because those category students are also waiting for their counseling, because this when the counseling will reach to 6, 7, 8, 9,000. So their students are there in the other category, though they are shortlisted, they will get their result, and they are waiting for eagerly for their day and their counseling. During their counseling, they will get the seat and admission in the particular colleges. Now the third question, what about my money which I paid and I have not taken the admission? It is very clearly mentioned in notification. If you haven't taken the admission in NIFT and you have paid the money, so you do not need to fill for the refund or anything. You just need to go, you just need to wait till the dates are there. It's clearly mentioned. If you have denied the taking seats and all, you will get your money refund. Now the student, though they have taken the seats, there is an option for refund policy over there. All 4 centers, you need to go and click on refund button to make sure that they will refund your admission, will get cancelled and you will get refund money. That is, you have to do it before 27. After that, if you will do it, then in that case NIFT is not responsible. They will not return your money. The small amount only you will get, around 9,000 I think. Entire fee they will not return you. That means your fee is not refundable at all. Now the another thing which is most important, and that we should know, okay, when is the second round of the counseling? So this second round of the counseling NIFT is moreover will start after 24th. They will announce the date, and from the in between they will mention the vacant seats are may not be possible in particular category. Seats is vacant, but there are the chances all the courses including BDAS, BFT, BA, MFM, MDAS, MFT, all courses, there will be some seats for that. You will have second round of the counseling and a student will participate for this counseling. You can also, if you are waiting, you can wait for this counseling. Either you haven't got any seat, still you can participate, or in this counseling anyone can participate. A student, though they have taken the admission, want to change seat, they can also participate. A student haven't taken admission till now, they can also participate. A student who haven't got any seat, they can also get into. Now the another side of the after the admission, colleges, we have already informed our all student, because we know this current situation. You need guideline, you need help by us, so we'll ensure it to help you. We will guide you and we will help you in all way possible which is there. So for that, the first thing what we need to do, we need to make sure that we are having a college. Moreover, in last 2-3 days of this month is the orientation, and the first week of next month is your classes. So if you want to attend the classes from there, you need to buy some stationery material, all this list. And you guys are worried about it, asking me so many questions. Okay sir, when and how I have to buy this material? What is the process of buying this material? Don't worry, you do not need to worry about it at all once you will join the college. So first week is after your, like, the all NIFT center are right now working for orientation program. So orientation program is kind of an online cultural program that you will have after the cultural orientation program. Once the next week college will start, so the first week each department faculty and course faculty will give you the introduction. You will have introduction of the class for the per subject, and they will give you list of the material. In that you have to shortlist the material what we believe. Do not buy in a one go all material, and certain material you have to buy at a time which is required, but all material is not required to buy at that particular moment. Now moving forward to the another situation, once this first week will get over, then assignment, submission, everything is online, and this entire semester is online, which we have already explained you how it is. And people are in NIFT, those senior batch and all, attending the classes from since last 3 months almost, the online classes. And last semester also is the 3 month was online only from March mid on, like April, kind of the April first week onwards, the almost center have started the online class. So that's what the all information I thought to put you all across. If you like it, make sure you write the comment how the things are, so that I could make more videos, because these things I was able to make it. It is not possible if you would not ask me such questions. So make sure ask here question, join the Ignite family on Instagram, follow us, and there you ask the question, and make sure press the bell icon button here, so that the all update will reach to you step by step. We have ensured and we promise you to give you the every information about the NIFT related to admission counseling and further in your college life, later on internship, GPA, and also whatever you want to know, make sure let us know, we'll guide you. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Institute of Fashion Technology is a premier institute of design, management and technology. It was set up in 1986 at New Delhi under the aegis of Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, in technical collaboration with Fashion Institute of Technology, New York. It emerged as the premier institute of design, technology and management, developing professionals taking up professional leadership positions in fashion businesses in the emerging global scenario. This institute is renowned for its innovative curricula coupled with pragmatism comparable with the best in the world.